Police dashcam footage was recorded on the 5th of January 2024 and it shows Officer Jose Tayahua Mendoza conducting a routine stop. A routine stop that is about to turn horrifying.
Okay, I tell you what. I was gonna give you a written warning for the license plate. I'm not even gonna do that. I don't want nothing to show you.
He was just about to let the driver, 18-year-old Mason Treat, go on his way after realizing that the car was legal and had no issues. Right then, a white pickup truck smashed into his car. Officer Mendoza was sent flying and it's extremely horrific, but everyone survived. Unfortunately, I doubt any of them will ever be the same. This is footage from Cars and Copters on the coast. It's an event that takes place in California where exotic cars and helicopters gather for people to view. It seems extremely cool, but sometimes incidents do occur. The reason you saw so many angles is because, well, everyone is filming. That's what people do at these events because the vehicles involved are often extremely rare and expensive. No fatalities have been reported as of yet, but some people were directly underneath when the helicopter crashed. Indian festivals often involve a lot of colored dye and naturally, noise. That's what's happening here. It's a festival and people are celebrating. The issue is that there are also animals involved. Animals don't do well with loud noises and there was so much going on. All they did was go straight while the dudes tried to veer them away from the people and follow the path. Some people unluckily get caught in it, like this guy, who is actually lucky to have gotten out relatively okay. A stressed animal will do anything to move a person out of its way. This is CCTV camera footage from Vietnam, recorded on the 9th of October 2025 and shows a man carrying something. A very common sight which will be followed by something crazy. So, I had to slow it down to understand it fully. I mean, yeah, sure, it's obvious that it was a tire explosion, but slowing it down here actually shows that a part of
this guy was so lucky.
The wheel also flew off, almost hitting the guy as well, inches away from being something out of a Final Destination movie. This video shows a bunch of people in Primorsky Krai, Russia, that borders the Chinese province of Heilongjiang and the Sea of Japan. They've come across two animals, just hanging out on the road.
Не кинется, блядь.
Ой, ребята, смотрите.
Навострился, блядь. Кинулся в команду. А смотри, они чипированные.
Какие красивые.
Чипированные.
Да ну нафиг, да ну нафиг.
Ну, один еще на ушах он что-то белое весит. Ну, конечно, не видели такого.
Нифига себе. Ой, ты какой красавец. Ой, ты мой красивый. Ой, какой красавец.
Маленький, но...
Ну, злиться как, конечно, будет злиться.
These are Amur tigers they randomly came across, also known as Siberian tigers or the largest tigers. They're kinda the apex predator in this region. It looks like they just hunted something too, which is kinda scary because they can become very aggressive when it comes to these types of things. This is Pimpri Chinchwad, better known as Pimpri. It's an Indian city, and the footage itself is from a security camera. It's slightly distorted for whatever reason, but the dude on the bike is decently visible. Keep that in mind, it's very important. A truck carrying sand got its wheel stuck in a culvert, which is a tunnel carrying a stream or open drain under a roadway. Then, it flipped right as the guy was there. He had to literally run for his very life. Even with that, he still got injuries to his leg, but thankfully survived. Goodness gracious. The video you see on screen was captured on the 9th of October 2025 in Istanbul's Tuzla shipyard. That's pretty crazy. The ship suddenly listed to port, which sent workers scrambling to get to safety. As you saw, it was chaotic, and some barely made it. Others were tragically not as lucky. 2 Ukrainian crew members passed away. One of them got trapped beneath the ship's ramp door. These can weigh anywhere from a few thousand pounds to hundreds of tons. Here are a few videos recorded by people in Piripiri, Brazil. The first frame is pretty deceptive, and I've done that on purpose. You might be able to tell why just by observing the atmosphere.
Okay, I think that's it for today, guys. I'll be making another video. Let's catch up another time. Goodbye.